tutorial on how I blow dry my hair with my Drybar regular blow dryer and my Drybar curl brush. Let's get into it. So the first thing I like to do is put some type of sealant or smoother in my hair just before I brush it out. I'm going to start off with putting the Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother on my ends. I'm going to put just a little bit, not too much. Put it together. And work it through my ends. Alright, I think the product is pretty much evenly distributed throughout my hair. But next I'm just gonna start brushing it out nice and gentle. We want to avoid breakage, so don't go too hard. Just brush it out so it's detangled. Okay, we are pretty much all brushed out. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my Drybar regular blow dryer, and we're just going to rough dry the hair. Alright, so now my hair is probably 75% dry. So next thing I'm gonna do is use some oil. I'm using the Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil. Just running that through my ends. So now we're gonna go in with our Drybar blow dry brush. So what I like to do is part my hair into sections. So I go from about my eyebrows back to the crown of my head, and I'm sectioning this off. So I'll just clip it. Okay, so it's time for the Drybar brush. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it on full power, and we're gonna go section by section, taking about this much. Say that's probably like 2.5 to 3 inches wide, and we're going to brush in this motion down. We're going to do this so we feel like it's dry and sleek. Sometimes what I do, if I feel like the top part of the hair is not dry, I'll just go in the opposite direction, like this. So now it's time to learn about the twist. So we're going to take the brush, it's going to be on, I'm going to go down, then we're going to start to twist like this and pull through. And this is going to give us this really nice blowout look. I'm going to show you again. Beautiful. So we're going to continue to dry our hair all the way to the other side. Okay, so it's time for the next section. What I usually do, and other people probably don't do this, I take the dry piece, the dry layer, and I pull it back so it's separate. A lot of people probably don't do that. It's not like necessary. I just do it. It makes me feel better. It's my process. So maybe you'd like it, maybe you wouldn't. It's not necessary. So we're taking the wet section down. And we're gonna do another part. So we're gonna part, I like to measure like by like the starting point of my eyebrow, and I go up and back. So we're gonna clip this piece back. So now we're gonna do the same exact thing that we did with the bottom layer throughout this section. I also like to incorporate cool shots into this part just to keep it, you know, nice and cool. Don't want to burn out the hair, so I'll go on the first setting. We're making our way down to the other side, so I'll just go back in with regular heat for this part. Also important to know that it does kind of matter which way you're going. For my type of hairstyle, it's important to take the curl brush and curl in this direction, kind of like away from your face. And that's how I would curl my hair also. When you're drying, you can dry inwards, but if you want the curl to be out, finish with direction like that. So now that our second layer is dry, it just leaves us with the top layer. So what I do is, similar to the first layer, I tie back layers 1 and 2. Like that. Then I will unclip. We're going to start with the back, okay? So we're going to take our finger and go straight across so that you're left with a piece like this, okay? And you can either let this hang or you can clip it, whatever you prefer. If you want to clip it, you just go like this. Alright, so what we're doing, we're going to start by drying the full piece like this, in this direction. We're going to finish in this direction, okay, in the back. That's going to give it that volume and that lift, like this. I don't know if you can see, but there is some lift in the back. So now we're going to do another piece, and I'll show you a little bit better. Taking our finger, going straight across like that, leaves us with this much hair. Clip it off to the side, and then we're going to start in this direction. The brush is going to be in front, and then we're finishing in the back. Brush in the back for volume. Now for this last piece in the front, I always divide it. In half like this. And I will do the left side, maybe front, maybe back, but I'll finish in this motion. So the brush is, so we have the hair like this, the brush goes, latches on, and we're twisting and just like that. Okay, let's show you how. See, and it gives us that swoop. All right, now time for the other side. Taking the brush. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll take the brush and just rough dry the head as a whole. We are pretty much finished. So, and if you have curtain bangs or outgrown curtain bangs like me, you take them, swoop them back like that. Okay, now that's it. Here's a full look at the finished product. I wish I could do like a 360 for you. It feels great, very smooth, very silky. And yeah, that's how I blow my hair out with my Drybar products. So I hope this helped. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, please subscribe and comment down below.